To use the Google Colab, just we have type Google Colab. Before using the Google Colab editor, we need to log in with any one of the Gmail account. Then we have to use Google Colab. Then use this one. Then click on the new notebook. Clear. It's loading. Clear. That's it. If you want to save the name here, then I can give a name, for example, list demo. That is what I am typing here. The entire program is saved. Okay. So in our Google Drive, to which email account I was logged in to the Google Colab, on that account drive, the entire notebook is saved. Clear? So if you want to write the code, then you click on the code. Then in this place we have to write the code. If you want to execute, if you want to execute the code, we can click on this play button, or if you're using some runtime here, from this run or something, we can also run the particular cell. We will also delete the cell by using the click on this delete cell. Okay. So let's see. The example is, for example, I can take now some L1 equal something I can create here. Okay. Then click on this one. Then play. Okay. Take some time to execute. Executed. If you want displaying the elements of L1, then simply I can give us some L1. Then play. So the output is 101 RAS 35,000.75.